Hey everyone, Eli here with Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this Too Simple motivational water bottle. This is dual layer insulated, so it has a vacuum layer in between the two layers of stainless steel, and that will allow this thing to have supreme insulation, keeping your drinks cool, keeping your drinks warm, whatever you want. And just take a look at this. There are lots of different slots for putting stickers for your different activities. So you basically got the sticker sheet here, and it comes with stickers for running. It comes with stickers for weightlifting, for training, for walking, for even meditation. So all sorts of stickers when you accomplish different goals or you do different activities, you can go ahead and place those stickers onto the water bottle right here, and there's slots for all of them. So you can basically track your accomplishments. It's super cool. Make sure you're staying active, make sure you're hitting those goals. And take a look here. You've got the handle to go ahead and hold on to the water bottle. This is a very roomy handle, so lots of room to place all your fingers inside, maybe just a few if you'd like, and carry it around with ease. This thing has two different methods for sipping out of, so you can go ahead and press this button right here, open it up, and you get the gulp sipper. I like this one because you can get lots of water in at a time, so if you just did some strenuous activity or you're just really thirsty, you can go ahead and get a lot of water this way. You can go ahead and shut that and also get your traditional straw tip right here. So this one I also enjoy because it's really easy. I don't have to actually maneuver the water bottle up and down. I can just sip while I'm at my desk working, for instance. And this is covered, so that's super nice because no dust will get in there or any dirt or anything like that. So this water bottle is like the perfect size. It holds a lot of water, great for any types of activities. It also comes with this cleaner right here for the straw. So you can go ahead and flip that up again, insert that down, and clean out the straw area. Let's go ahead and take that off. That is a look at the straw right there. There's a look inside. So very easy to fill this thing up, twist that on and off. Overall, I highly recommend the Too Simple motivational water bottle. Thanks for watching.